Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Revolut saving vaults. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows users to manage their money effectively. And saving vaults are a key feature that helps users save money effortlessly. To get started with Revolut saving vaults, you need to understand what they are and how they work. A saving vault is a separate account within your Revolut account where you can set aside a portion of your money for specific savings goals. You can think of it as a digital piggy bank where you can store your money and earn interest on it. The first step to using Revolut saving vaults effectively is to set a savings goal. This could be anything from saving for a holiday to building an emergency fund. Having a clear goal in mind will help you stay motivated to save. Once you have set your goal, you can create a saving vault and set a target amount. You can also set a deadline for reaching your goal, which will help you stay on track. Another important aspect of using Revolut saving vaults is to automate your savings. You can set up a recurring transfer from your main Revolut account to your saving vault, which will help you save money regularly without having to think about it. You can choose to transfer a fixed amount daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your savings goal and financial situation. It is also essential to take advantage of the rounding up feature offered by Revolut. This feature allows you to round up your purchases to the nearest pound or euro and transfer the change to your saving vault. For example, if you spend £3.50 on a coffee, Revolut will round up the transaction to £4 and transfer £0.50 to your saving vault. This may not seem like a lot, but it can add up over time and help you reach your savings goal faster. In addition to automating your savings and using the rounding up feature, it is crucial to monitor your progress regularly. You can do this by tracking your savings vault balance and adjusting your savings plan as needed. If you find that you are not saving enough, you can increase the amount you transfer to your saving vault or reduce your expenses to free up more money for savings. Finally, it is vital to avoid dipping into your saving vault unless absolutely necessary. Try to treat your saving vault as a separate account that is not accessible for everyday spending. This will help you avoid the temptation to withdraw money from your savings and ensure that you reach your long-term goals. In conclusion, using Revolut saving vaults effectively requires discipline, patience, and a clear understanding of how they work. By setting a savings goal, automating your savings, using the rounding up feature, monitoring your progress, and avoiding dipping into your saving vault, you can make the most of this feature and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to stay consistent, and you will be on your way to building a safety net and achieving financial stability.